Okay, I want to talk to you real quick about how much common tub repairs generally cost to have a professional come in. So generally, and we're just talking single owner, I own my house, I've got a chip or a crack or a hole or a crack in the floor of my tub. How much is it going to cost to have somebody come in and fix that? You know, just a standard chip to have somebody come in, fix it and match the color and just do a touch up, you know, that ought to be probably in the ballpark of like 150, 200 bucks, you know, and I'm not factoring in travel. So if they're traveling from somewhere, that's going to vary, but just for the standard service, local service, you know, 150, 200 bucks for a small chip repair, a one-off, that's probably pretty common. If you're a construction company and you have a lot of repairs for them to do at once, they might be charging you something like $75 per tub. That can add up pretty quick. We do recommend checking out our chip repair kit to save money on both of those scenarios. And then you have kind of a large wall damage. So you have a crack in the wall of the fiberglass. You can see the fiberglass, or you have a hole in the wall. You know, nothing major, about the size of a baseball or smaller. That's going to be a common one. You're probably going to have somebody quoting you around, you know, $500, $600 to repair that. And unfortunately, there's just not a lot of competition out there. So you can really run into situations where people are going to maybe charge a lot like that. You know, we think that more of a fair price be, you know, something more like $300, $350 or so, maybe $400 depending on the situation. But that's kind of what you would see if you're getting much higher than, like, if somebody's coming in there and charging you like $500, $600, if you're getting north of that and they're just going to be fixing that spot, you probably don't have a lot of options as far as a repair company, because there's generally not a lot of them, or you have our option of our repair kit. You know, and a lot of times people can order our repair kits, hire a handyman at, you know, whatever they charge per hour, 100 bucks an hour, still come in under that $600. So just be aware of that. Just don't let anybody take advantage of you. Also, one thing that a lot of companies will do, they will want to resurface your whole tub. So if you have a little chip in your tub, or you have maybe a large damage in the wall of your tub or on the floor, they're going to say, okay, well, I'll make the repair, but then I'll have to resurface the entire tub because it won't look good. Well, that's not actually true. They know how to match color. They should be able to just do a spot repair on that. And that's the best way. We really recommend doing that as opposed to spraying coating all over your tub. And then floor crack repairs, that's like kind of the Wild West. I think you'll probably, a common price that somebody would charge would be maybe around $600, $650 to repair a floor. That's getting a little higher, but that's probably what you would expect. We've even heard often quotes of around $900 to repair a crack in a floor. And so just, you know, don't get taken on that. Just know, you know, our floor crack repair kit's well under $200, and that will save you a ton of money. Just put in a day's work. It's not even really a day's work if you go through it. It'd be probably more like 4 hours of actual work. The rest is just kind of letting stuff set up. That's basically what you'd expect on like a floor crack. $600, probably very common, all the way up to, we've heard $900 several times too. So that's the pricing on all those that you kind of expect. There is no uniform pricing right now, and so we are trying to get some of that out there. So our kits hopefully are bringing down the price some on the repairs. So whether or not you choose our kits, it's at least giving you a lower price option and introducing competition into the market in that regard. So hopefully that's helping, and let us know if you have any other questions.